To all you project DIYers, are you thinking of doing a room renovation that might require replacing flooring? Are you done with your carpet and tired of the maintenance your hardwood floors require? If your answer is yes to either of these questions, you want to take a look at luxury vinyl plank, aka LVP flooring. Beloved, I'm talking flooring. Now, luxury vinyl plank flooring, or LVP, is an incredible product that has risen in popularity for several reasons. Depending on your budget, your needs, and the aesthetic of your home, LVP may or may not be right for your project. But it is most certainly worth strong consideration. So what makes LVP so great? First off, it's an affordable product with great value. LVP is designed to look like beautiful hardwood floors, but it's also boasts the durability of laminate. While it's actually engineered to fool the eye into thinking it's a textured wood product, it is in fact a smooth, sturdy surface. With that being said, keep in mind that this vinyl flooring is more slippery than it appears. LVP ranges from $3 to $7 per square foot, but you'd be wise to go no lower than the mid-price range products. Beware of a too good to be true bargain. $4 to $5 per square foot is usually a decent place to start quality-wise. Now, adding to this product's incredible value are its durability and its comfort. LVP is ridiculously tough, moisture resistant, and made to withstand kids, pets, and everything in between. It doesn't scratch or chip. You have to work hard to damage your LVP flooring. Along with the durability, LVP is also known for being soft. That's right. If you have back pain issues, LVP may be a great choice to help relieve the pain of long periods of standing at the sink or stove. Lastly, LVP gets rave reviews from its easy installation and low maintenance requirements. While traditional hardwood floors need to be installed with great precision by a professional, these vinyl planks easily fit together, lock in place, and can be trimmed with a knife to fit the dimensions of any room. However, it is crucial that you properly prepare the surface before laying LVP. You can float the vinyl planks over other types of flooring to eliminate the needs for demolition, but the surface must be level, smooth, and dry, or your LVP will not perform well. After installation, maintenance is a breeze. LVP requires nothing more than the normal routine of sweeping and mopping. However, you'll need to replace your regular Swiffer wet jet with a cleaner that won't dull the finish on the vinyl. I recommend Rejuvenate Luxury Vinyl Floor Cleaner. Overall, LVP is a great product for anyone tackling DIY renovations, looking for intense durability, and trying to be budget conscious. It's also a safe bet if you're looking at putting your home on the market, because people value the scratch and moisture resistance qualities of luxury vinyl plank flooring. If you have any questions about LVP or what renovations will bring a good return to your investment, let's connect. I'm Youssef, your local Shoreline Realtor, and this was The Walkthrough.